Did you know the only woman to ever rule China as emperor got there by murdering her own baby? In 690 CE, Wu Zetian entered the palace as just another concubine. She had no power, no status, nothing, but she had a plan. When Emperor Taizong lay dying, Wu secretly seduced his son, Prince Li Zhi. Smart move. When Li Zhi became the new emperor, he brought Wu back to court as his concubine. Now Wu faced a problem. Empress Wang stood between her and ultimate power, so Wu did the unthinkable. She gave birth to a daughter, then strangled the baby with her own hands. When Empress Wang came to visit, Wu hid the tiny body and screamed that the Empress had murdered her child. The Emperor believed Wu's lies. Empress Wang was dragged away, her hands and feet chopped off, then drowned in a vat of wine. With her rival dead, Wu climbed to the throne. She ruled China for 15 years as its only female emperor, all because she was willing to sacrifice her own child for power. History's most ruthless mother had won.